Okay, thank you so much for joining. Actually, it's time for Muhammad Hussain Ibrahim. I think you know that today your topic is tell us about good books you have read.
Okay, thank you for giving me a great chance in, uh, to describe a book which I have read already. Uh, I think there are many books I have read already in my life, but two of them I describe you. One is Holy Quran, but this book, no, I did not completely read this book, but firstly I have read this book and already trying to read this book, holy book, by every day, like 1 year, 1 hour or half an hour, etc. But today I have explain you or describe a book which I had already read full book. This book name is The Around the World in 80 Days. This book is very thriller book, and I have learned many things from this book. That's why I am introducing, I am describing this book. Uh, there is a traveler who like thriller traveling, and he tried to travel whole the world in 80 days, and he start from Russia, and he started his journey with his very fascinating, like he faced many obstacles, many faced many dangerous things. He have described this book. One of he went to Russia to America. That time he faced uh, heavy heavy storm, and uh, his ship was going to fall, but he saved from this dangerous situation. And then he gave another places which very dark jungle, and he faced many animals like tiger, lion, etc. He faces all of these things, and he moved all over the world in 80 days. This book is very thriller, and is this book is very fascinating me when uh, I think or feel. This book is very thrilling me at any time when I thought about this book, about this history. I think if we have desire to do anything, you will, I inshallah, we will succeed. That book is very listeners, learners about the things. If you want to, or if you have a desire, you must you must succeed this goal. That book is a very interesting book. Inshallah, next time I also gave describe another book like Holy Quran and other books. Okay, for this time, I have finished my uh, book which I already read and thrill me always.
Okay, thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Welcome.